Hello students, I'm Sandeepa. In this video, I'm just trying to clear one doubt that I have often seen students get confused in it. So here you can see a demand schedule and a demand curve. And basically, when we defined the law of demand, we say there is an inverse relationship between quantity demanded and price of any commodity. Here you can see the demand is for online programming course by some institution. So this curve is negatively sloped, and we say there is a negative relationship between price and the quantity demanded. And we define it like when price increases, quantity demanded decreases, or when price decreases, quantity demanded increases. So when we use the term increases, either for price or for demand, students get confused. Like when we are saying negative relationship, negative, then why certain variables are increasing? I often see students baffling with this concept. So this is basically you have to follow or see just simple rule of maths. When you make a summation of plus and minus, you get a minus sign. Plus minus minus or minus plus minus. Similarly, when price increases, say for price increases from say here you have 2750, and at this uh, point you have certain level of demand, maybe uh, to 220 must be there, suppose, at this price level. So the coordinates here are 220 and the price level is 275. Okay, at this point. Now if price increases to 3000, and the quantity demanded here is uh, maybe 180. So 180 is demand at 3000 price level. This is Q and this is P. Q, P. Q for quantity demanded and P for price. So when the price has increased, that means price when you move from 2750 to 3000, price is having a plus sign. And the quantity because of that is reducing from 220 to 180. Okay, so we can see price is increasing. Price, see if this is price and this is quantity. Price is plus, price has increased, and because of that, quantity is decreased. So plus minus, you get minus, a negative sign, negative relationship. Similarly, when suppose if price decreased from say here 3500 to 3250, what we are doing, price is decreasing. So mm, yeah, here at this coordinate, let's look at the level of output, say 120. This I'm not doing on a scale, just approx values. Okay, so 120 demand at 3,500 price level. Okay, this is your price and this is your quantity demanded here, say A. And at point B, the quantity demanded is 150 at 3,250 rupees. So what has this P carries with it minus sign, while the quantity demanded has been increased from 120 to 150. So it's carrying a plus sign. So P is negative here and Q is plus this time. But again, you will get a negative sign when you will make a sum of them. Okay, so this negative is because of the plus minus here, plus minus here. That means for normal goods, when one variable moves to one direction, the other variable will move to another direction. This relationship holds true for normal goods. And you can see what do we mean by normal goods. We can see even for in some other video. So I hope you have understood why we call that uh, there is a negative relationship between price and quantity demanded of any commodity. Okay. Okay. When you have a supply curve, both the variables move in the same direction. Why? Because plus plus is plus and minus minus is also plus. So I hope you have understood what and why we say that there is an inverse or negative relationship between price and quantity demanded of the commodity. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Thank you.